How to use Telegram without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can use Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, using Telegram without phone number is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Telegram application. Now you can see Telegram does not have an option to sign up using emails, so the thing that you need over here is definitely a phone number and you have no other choice. But it does not mean you can't create an account even though you don't have a phone number, because there are lots of websites that offers you virtual phone numbers online. So you can basically get a virtual phone number for free, and there are lots of websites out there. Some of them are legal, some of them are paid, some of them are free as well, where you'll also be able to get the SMS codes. And once you get the SMS code, you should be able to start using Telegram. I'm not going to mention them in this video, but I'll make sure to drop a few links in the description box if that's what you're looking for. This way you should be able to use Telegram without phone number. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.